going to see the classification of data structures. Already you have got a brief introduction about the classification of data structures in our previous chapters. You can skip this video if you have got thoroughly the concept of types of data structures. Now let's understand the classification of data structures with the depiction of flow diagram. As we already know, the data structure is classified into two types, that is primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. The primitive data structures are classified into four types. They are integer, float, character, and boolean. And non-primitive data structures are classified into two types, which are linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Here the linear data structure is further classified into two types, static and dynamic. Static includes arrays, and in the dynamic, linked list, stacks, and queues are classified. And coming to the non-linear data structure, it is further classified into two types, trees and graph. You are going to learn all these concepts in detail in upcoming chapters.